In this episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we bring you a fusion twist. The beloved Canadian poutine meets the bold flavors of Portugal. Say hello to the Portuguese-style Poutine, starring Chouriço and São Jorge cheese. Portuguese-style Poutine. 300 grams of potatoes cut into sticks. 1 chopped onion. 1 Portuguese chorizo sausage chopped. 500 milliliters of poutine gravy. Grated cheese and mozzarella. Fry potatoes until golden. In a pot, add chopped onions and cook for 2 minutes. Add the chopped chorizo to the onions and cook for 5 minutes. Heat the poutine gravy separately. In a dish, layer the chorizo, fries, hot gravy, and cheese. Broil in the oven until the cheese melts and browns slightly. That's it, a bold and cheesy delight that combines 2 culinary cultures. Enjoy and see you in the next episode. Faça e coma!